Welcome, in front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to turn off your laptop. So normally just click the start button, then select power options and select shutdown or update and shutdown if you have some updates pending on your PC. Now if you cannot access this menu, you can force shut down your laptop by long pressing the power key until your power indicator on the left side will turn off, and this way your laptop turns off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.